Hi friends, a very welcome evening to all of you. I welcome you in this video, and in this video I'm going to discuss with you how can you create much more wealth in your life. My dear friends, for this I will tell you here you have to create wealth in your life, and for this you need to create a triangle, and that triangle, the first part of that triangle will be high income skill. Yes friends, you listen very carefully. आपको सबसे पहले अपने अंदर हाई इनकम स्किल जनरेट करनी पड़ेगी बाय विच यू कैन जनरेट मच मोर वेल्थ इन योर लाइफ. You will say, what is high income skill? So for high income skill, for a skill for which you are well enough paid. For example, copywriting. For example, high income skill, if you talk about high ticket closing, okay, you have to learn the closing, how to crack the deals, how to close the deals. Another thing what you can learn here, my dear friends, you can say that you have to develop the sales skill, you have to develop the communication skill, okay, and you have to spend your time, money and effort towards books which can help you to increase your high income skill. And you have to learn different skills, for example communication skills, leadership skills, okay, presentation skills, because these skills will help you a lot for generating high income, right? Another thing, my dear friends, you can learn here the book writing at the same time, okay, you can learn here the video editing also, okay, at a level, if you are doing it at the best level, you can create a good income over here also at the same time, my dear friends. Now first we discussed you have to generate the high income skill. Another thing, what is that? That is, my dear friends, that is high return investment. You need to invest money where you can get the high return, like almost 11 to 12% if you are getting as a high return, then it will help you to generate more money and generate more wealth in your life. The next thing, my dear friends, which is very much important, and that is scalable business model. If you are an entrepreneur, if you are a businessman, if you are investing in a business, then please search a scalable business model. You will say, what is scalable business model, Jyoti? I will tell you. Take the example of restaurant. Restaurant is not a scalable business model. So what is scalable business model? It is up to you. But for your understanding, I will tell you what exactly it is. A business where you have not to put a lot of resources, where you have not to put a lot of manpower, where you have not to put a lot of money, and it is able to scale on online basis, you can say that, or people can work from home there also, and you have to moderate that, okay, you have to work out on system and process somewhere, okay. So this will be a scalable business model where you are not engaged much more, you are not investing a lot of your time, money and energy, you are investing your brain for a little time and you are getting a very good result, right? Okay, my dear friends, and now we understood these three principles, these three triangles, which is much more important to generate our wealth. So first is what? High income skill. You need to learn high income skill. Second is what? You have to understand, you have to invest in high return investment. You have to spend your money where you can get high return. And the third thing, my dear friends, scalable business model. Scalable business model, you have to invest in scalable the business which can be scaled without your presence, okay, without your money, without a lot of without hiring a lot of people. So that would be a scalable business model. So just you find it out and give your comment which idea you are going to apply in your life for creating wealth, right? Bye bye, take care. Till that time, be happy, be prosperous and generate wealth in your life, my dear friends, right? So bye bye, take care, tathastu.